Come join us for a beautiful week in Spain. Now we are going to the store to just get some stuff, and it's really hot and it's just 9 o'clock in the morning and the sun is really heating up, so it's gonna be a hot day. And they are warning it will be like up to 45 degrees here in Spain today, so I don't know if we're gonna have hot as that where we are, but it's gonna be hot.
Och sen heter vi massor med hela. Vi heter någon vanliga saltade. Doritos som man dippar dessa saker.
So this is our first day. Lily's back in Spain, so we just stacked up something in the store so we have for the week, so I thought I would show you.
Hi.
We did get some croissant. It's like staples when we're here. Some like Nutella. Lily wanted Takis. We got some bread, some chips, some Doritos dippers.
The OG Doritos. Det är sol och sun.
Sunseeds. Some ordinary Doritos, some pistachios, some little other dipper things.
Avocado.
We did get some avocados. Nej då, de ska vara i rums. Then we're gonna open it. So here we're stacking up. It's full fridge, but we are 5 people. We did get some water with snap locks because we have like a water filter, so we can tap this other when we've been drinking this. We have some yogurt, some soft drinks. Hubby stacked up with some beer. We have some pizza to go with like a tapas plate. Some cava, some cheese and some salami, eggs. And we have some for the tapas plate. We have some cheeses, some hummus, cream cheese, some little gherkins, and some olives back there. So it's, and then we also did add some ice and some ice cream.
This one I bought yesterday.
Yes, you like that.
I love fashion. But they are so expensive in Sweden.
Yeah, they are really expensive in Sweden. Like this cost, is it 50 crowns?
Yeah.
It's 5 euros in a smaller bag, and here they are like 2 euros, and it's a bigger bag. So Lily is all about that.
Stacking up.
Then we also add some like shampoo,
Candy from me.
some micellar water. Lily got some candy. Yeah, so
And some gum.
let's get this organized.
Stop.
those simple little morning routines with some coffee, just writing some stuff, getting a card, meditate, just breathe. Everything you do in the morning just to get yourself started in the right way. It's so precious. So I keep this routine no matter where I am in the world.
Way to the market, and the family's already gone. The boys did go first, and we the girls left a little bit after, and I just did hang dry washing machine, so I'm a little bit behind. It's just like 9:30 and it's really hot. I did take my dress with sleeves to cover up my shoulders because they are a little bit burned since yesterday. Here in the palm trees there are like little green parrots. Maybe you can hear them.
Me and hubby got the opportunity to have a date night, so we did stroll the neighborhood, and then we sat down, we took beer on the way, and then we had a delicious dinner at one of the restaurants in the neighborhood.
This is the car we're using. It's a Ford Puma and it's all brand new. I really love this car. It's like a little SUV. It's kind of cool. Let's look inside. So here is the car, and it's quite roomy.
Oj, vad vi tankar.
So this beautiful pool was in the neighborhood, and every day we took several baths or dips in the pool because it was crazy hot. Then we did some soul work, or maybe just me, sitting down, catching a breath and just reflect and getting grounded. So come join me. Let's do a house tour before we leave this beautiful place. We have now packed all our bags and are on our way to the airport.
Now we just packed everything.
It's time to leave beautiful Spain for this time, but we will come back soon. And thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day, night or evening wherever you are. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.